I think there were the first 2 days already brought several highlights because we had excellent speakers. So Nikhil Manji presented the history of the International Myeloma Society, where we stand, where we want to go into the future. Today we had an excellent presentation by Ken Anderson about the molecular, let's say, mechanisms which we need to tackle to develop new treatments. We are happy with the treatment which we have, but that cannot be the end of the journey. So he opened the doors for new treatment approaches, new targets, which is very important. And then, of course, we had a discussion about treatment of newly diagnosed patients, excellent presentations, all the new data which are there, and highlighting the importance of transplant, even if there is some discussion whether it's still needed in view of the new immunotherapy chemo combinations. But I am sure there's a subgroup of patients who really benefit from this.